And welcome back, Gorilla Man's Garage. A beautiful day today, December the 1st. We've had a astronomical, not astronomical, but in my mind, in 30 years, I haven't seen this much snow in this short a time. Really, I'm not exaggerating, probably close to 4 feet altogether. I'll show you what's on the truck, and in the fields, I'll bet you it's almost up to my waist. It's just incredible. We've got patchy blue sky now. I'm going to get the drone up, have a look at it. You judge for yourself. Here we go, 2.7K, 30 frames per second. Let's put the EV back to 0. And we're going to see what happens. We might have to do something with it. Let's get it up. And up we go. There we go. Let's start that video. Okay, we have the DJI Mini 3, okay, and we have zoom on the left controller. There we go, zoom on the left controller. 2.7K, 30 frames per second, and take a look at this. Okay, we're in normal mode. This is there's my truck. Go a little bit further back. There's my truck, full of snow. Look at what's hanging over the houses, okay, over the house. Anyway, let's go forward, let's have a look. Okay, let's get up, and up we go. Up we go, here we are. Look at this blue sky, and I just like coming down a little bit more. There we go. Okay, all this snow, unbelievable amounts of snow. Snow everywhere, 27, 30 meters. Let's go around here. We'll go up a little bit higher. I think our neighbor is away, so they've got somebody doing their driveway next door. See if we can see that over there. There it is there. Make quick work of that driveway, it does. Here we go. Oh, and we've got a little kitty on a here we go. There it is. He got stuck in the snowdrift. He got stuck in the snowdrift trying to get around. I think that's his son. I think. But anyway, where's the snowblower? There it is. Okay. Now, can we do the EV up one? That might be a little bit better. Let's see. And we'll come up with a zoom. Okay. Up a bit more. We're up to about 35, I think. Follow this down here. You should turn right here, I think. Oh, he's turning left. Look at that. No, he's not. He's just doing donuts, having fun. Nobody around here. Anyway, enough of that. Let's see what we can go. Have a look over here. We're up to 40, 45 or so. There we go. And over we go. 42. Let's have a look at this over here. This is the DJI Mini 3 Standard Edition with the DJI RC controller. And we know now that this is on sale for $289 US, which is really a steal compared to what it used to be. Yeah, but I think you're still paying a couple $100 for this controller. I think that's just a little expensive for what the controller is. It should be about $100. Oh, can we get that? Can we get to the little pondy area over here? I think. And I'm in the garage, so I'm not out facing and pointing the antennas anywhere. So I think it's pretty darn good. Yeah, the ice has formed over that already. Eh? Look at that. Yeah. Here we go. Ice has formed already. Okay, bring it up, and we're going to come back. We should have some pretty good sunlight when we come back. There we go. Come on back. Can we get blue sky up there? That's the thirds. There's your blue sky. Tons of blue sky. Yeah. It's cleared off. It has been snowing for probably 3-4 days straight, and little breaks in between. And I think I put more gas in my snowblower this year than I did all of last year. And this season hasn't even started yet. Hasn't even started yet. Here it comes. Let's go over this way. And turn around. Beautiful, eh? Lots of snow. Let's look at some of this snow. Some of these trees. It's incredible, really. Up. All this snow. Tons and tons of snow. It's amazing that some of them haven't even broken yet. Okay. There we go. Up we go. We'll go up and over again. Turn around. I'm just going home. Does a really good job. Really good job. Look at that. Really good job. Nice job. Nice job. Here we go. Up we come. And my fingers are getting cold, so it's time to come in. But again, the DJI Mini 3 Standard Edition. You just can't go wrong with it. Down we come. And it's coming down. Oh. Okay, we turn around. Look at all this snow. All this snow up here. All this snow. It's amazing, really. A valley of snow. There we go. Bring it in. My 2 fingers are getting really cold now. And I'll put the UAV forecast up and see what we're at. Here we go. Bring it in. So easy. So easy to up a little bit maybe. There we go. It's so easy to manipulate, to fly. You don't have to worry about anything. It's going to work. It's very quiet. A lot quieter than all the Femies and Hubsons. The Potentic's pretty quiet, but it does a phenomenal job. I just don't like the way you have to articulate the front arms, but that's about it. Okay? Till next time, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, and it's Canada's Winter Wonderland. Bye now.